In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account on Remitly using the best method. To get started, open your Remitly account on your phone and make sure you're fully logged in. Before you begin entering any payment information, it's a good idea to check that you're using a secure internet connection and that your app is updated to the latest version. This helps avoid loading issues and makes the process smoother. Once you're inside the app, look toward the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on Manage. This section is where Remitly keeps your account and payment settings. So if you ever need to update or review your payment options later, this is the place you'll come back to. After that, tap Payment Method. This will take you to the area where you can view any current payment methods linked to your account, as well as add new ones. If this is your first time setting one up, the page may look fairly simple, and that's completely normal. Next, tap Add Payment Method. This tells the app that you want to connect a new way to pay for your transfers. Remitly may show you a few different options depending on your country or account setup, so just stay focused on the option mentioned here. Now, tap Card. Even though you may be adding banking-related information, this is the option you need to select in this method. Once you open it, you'll be taken to the screen where you can type in your bank or card details. At this stage, enter your bank details carefully and make sure everything is accurate. Take your time here, because even a small mistake can cause payment problems, delays, or failed transfers. Double-check each field before moving on, especially the account-related information. Accuracy is very important whenever you're linking a payment method, because Remitly uses these details to process your transactions securely. If the app asks you to confirm or save the information after entering it, review everything one more time before continuing. It's always better to spend a few extra seconds checking your details now than to deal with issues later. And that's it. Once your information has been entered correctly, your payment method should be added to your Remitly account and ready to use for future transfers. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.